Meet Frase, the content intelligence platform with an AI agent that knows your brand, analyzes your competitors, and executes your entire content strategy for you. Frase gets to know your brand, runs a complete site audit, identifies technical SEO issues, and surfaces the content opportunities that you might be missing. Creating content that ranks used to mean hours of manual research, guessing what to write, and then hoping it performs. Now, Phrase's agent can do all of that for you, automatically. Just tell Frase agent what you need. It analyzes your site, pulls in your competitors, and shows you exactly where your opportunities are based on deep research. But it doesn't stop there. Frase agent can build your entire content strategy. It creates strategic topic clusters, generates research-backed content briefs, and then writes entire articles, complete with internal and external linking, all from one conversation. And here's where it gets even more powerful. Frase optimizes your content for both Google and AI search engines, like ChatGPT and Perplexity. See your SEO and GEO scores side by side. Then publish directly to WordPress or Sanity with one click. No copying, pasting, or formatting. You can also track when AI platforms cite your content. Know what's working, understand what isn't, and why not. From site audits to strategic planning, from content briefs to optimization, from publishing to performance tracking, Frase Agent handles your entire content workflow. Unlike generic AI tools, Frase Agent knows your brand, your competitors, and your performance data. Every recommendation is tailored to you. Content teams are saving hundreds of hours a month, tripling their output and ranking in both traditional search and AI platforms. Ready to let AI handle your content strategy? Start your free 7-day trial today. No credit card required.
Welcome to Content Intelligence,